Hey everyone, friends, on the channel today I'll show how to change IP on Windows, specifically on Windows 11. Go to Start, type CMD, and enter the IP config command. Press enter and this tab will appear. To change IP, go to Start and type. We need Internet settings. Go to Settings. Then Internet. Here, find our Internet settings. Now, for this, go to Wi-Fi. Click on Software Settings here. Click Properties here. Select IPv4 here. Use Properties to enter our new IP address here. Okay, let's say this, 0, say 104. There. Enter these basics. They're usually standard and click OK. That's it. You've changed the address. That's all. Bye everyone.